Ladies and gentlemen, all my fellow band lovers, it's your host with the most, the one and only, and we have yet another exciting video today. I apologize in advance if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm pretty sure it's strep and most definitely not COVID. At least I hope not. I'm only half vaccinated, so I guess we'll see. But anyway, we keep chugging along with all the new spring releases of Apple Watch bands that Apple recently unveiled. We have a lot of great colors this time around, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the OG, the sport band line. This style has been with us from the beginning, ever since the Apple Watch was first introduced. It's a popular style of bands, and for good reason. They look clean and slick, they're secure, and come in a wide array of interesting colors for just about anyone. So whether you're into some neutral colors, bright colors, or duller, more low-key colors, Apple has done a pretty good job over the years in giving us a good taste of all colors of the rainbow. Before we begin, once again, I will be giving away one of the bands featured in this video to one lucky subscriber. In order to find out how to enter, make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Alright, let's tackle these all new spring 2021 sport bands. Let's go. The sport band line needs no introductions. Chances are a good majority of you started out with your very first band being a sport band. It's super iconic, and if you want a more in-depth look into this style, make sure to click the card at the top right for a full review and everything you need to know about the sport band line. Alright, we begin with Cantaloupe. Now, Cantaloupe is an interesting one because this is a really bright and fun color, and the Apple website doesn't give it enough justice. The band is an interesting color for sure. The name is based off the fruit, and if you can picture a nice and juicy melon, take that orangish color and add a decent dash of pink to it, and voila! You get this very bright and vibrant band. What's crazy is just how eye-catching the band is in natural sunlight. That's where it really shines. It's like taking pink sand, which looks dull and lifeless, next to Cantaloupe by the way, and turn up that saturation and vibrancy all the way up. This is definitely a great band for the warmer months, and has a perfect place in this spring release. This band obviously looks fantastic on the rosy or gold aluminum Apple Watches, but honestly, it goes well with any casing. A standout stellar band that I know will be a hit this season. Next up, we have Mallard Green. Mallard Green is this very mysterious deep green color that at first glance looks like your ordinary dark green band, but looking at it closer under some natural lighting and you will begin to truly gaze at the awesomeness of this new band. What I love about Apple is that they almost always release a very vibrant band, but also a really sleek and dark band for those that aren't into those eye-catching colors that draw nothing but attention to the wrist. Instead, Mallard Green takes pine green and combines elements of some deeper and richer dark blues. Apple, in my opinion, has a tough time with greens. They nail the blues, they nail the pinks and reds, but their greens are all over the place. In this case though, I'm a huge fan of the color because it's so unique. The dark green and slight blue combination works exceptionally well and looks phenomenal on the darker casings, especially the space black titanium. If you're into the darker bands that don't draw too much attention to the wrist, I promise you, you won't want to miss out on this one. And last but not least, not a surprise to anyone, we have our 500th blue band. Just kidding, but not really. Apple never lets us down with all the blues. It's like the product design team at Apple congregated and unanimously agreed that their favorite color is blue, and thus, here we have Capri Blue to add to the blues collection. Some of my Apple band veterans will understand, but if you can imagine Delft Blue and Surf Blue from a few generations ago, and now imagine those two bands met and had a baby, Capri Sun would be that baby. It's your typical bright and festive blue band. It's like this soothing sky blue, only with deeper, richer hues of blue that creates a nice effect and looks great on really any of the band casings. But of course, you already know it looks gorgeous AF on the blue aluminum Apple Watch. The band is in with Cantaloupe with being a nice and vibrant spring band, and is the perfect medium between the brighter Cantaloupe and the darker Mallard Green. Of the three, if I had to choose, I'd say Capri Sun would be my favorite. Guys, All of these new sport bands are great, and like I said, I'm glad there's a band for everyone. What do you think of all the new sport band colors, and which is your favorite? Mallard Green would be a close second for me, not gonna lie, but in all honesty, all three colors are great. We still have one more style of bands to review, that being the solo loops, which are slowly growing on me. I initially didn't like them, but it's their simplicity that gives them their special allure. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video, and also all the band giveaways, which, speaking of, I didn't forget. One winner will be chosen to receive an all new sport band of your choice on June the 1st via my social medias. So right now is a perfect time to head over to Instagram or Twitter and give me a follow, as I am always posting polls, channel news, and who could forget all the juicy giveaways. To enter, simply make sure you're subscribed with bell notifications and drop a comment down below letting me know what your predictions are for the new Apple Watch Series 7, or simply what you'd like to see on it. What's at the top of my wish list for the Series 7 is a way bigger battery. Please, Apple. I wish Apple Watches lasted 4 to 5 days like some of the competition, as I only seem to squeeze out about a day and a half worth of juice before I have to charge mine. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited for my iMac to be delivered, as well as the all new iPad Pros with the new keyboard, and of course the brand new Apple TV with the all new Siri remote. Until next time guys, catch you all real soon.